Do you ever feel like traditional sales techniques make you sound like a pushy used car salesman? What if I told you there's a better way, one that builds trust, closes more deals, and makes your customers and clients genuinely happy? It's called need-based selling, and it's a total game changer. Stay with me and I'll show you exactly how to use this strategy to boost your sales without the sleazy pitch. Hi, I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for Radical Success, and I help business owners and professionals unlock their full potential. If you're tired of outdated sales techniques that feel more like a high-pressure game than a meaningful conversation, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to introduce you to needs-based selling, a simple yet powerful method that shifts the focus away from selling and onto helping. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your sales conversations into high-value interactions that lead to higher close rates and stronger client relationships. Sound good? Let's dive in.
Okay.
Let's start with the biggest mistake most salespeople make. They talk too much. Ever been in a conversation where you just knew the other person wasn't actually listening, but just waiting for their turn to talk? Yeah, don't be that person in sales. Instead, remember one simple rule. Wait. Why am I talking? If you're doing all the talking, you're not uncovering what really matters to your prospect. Needs-based selling flips the script. Your job isn't to sell, it's to discover what your prospect truly needs and then position yourself as the perfect solution. So, how do you do that? Simple, by mastering the art of active listening. And here's what it looks like in action. 1, ask the right questions. Instead of leading with a pitch, lead with curiosity. Ask things like, what's the biggest challenge in your business right now? What would success look like for you? What's been holding you back from solving this issue before? 2, really listen. And I mean really listen. Too often we're just waiting for our turn to talk. But when you tune in, you hear the real pain points that drive buying decisions. 3, present a tailored solution. Once you understand their needs, then and only then should you introduce your product or service. And when you do, frame it as a natural solution to their problem. 4, confirm alignment. Ask, does this sound like the kind of solution you're looking for? If they agree, great. If not, go back to listening and adjusting your approach. Now, if you're wondering whether this method actually works, let me hit you with a stat. Top performing sales reps spend only 7% of their time pitching. The rest, they're listening, building relationships, and guiding customers toward the right decision. So here's your radical action step for the week. Put needs-based selling to the test. Before your next sales call, write down 3 powerful discovery questions. Focus on listening more than talking. After the call, reflect on how well you understood their true needs and how you position your solution. And I promise, if you implement this approach, your sales conversations will feel less like selling and more like helping, because that's what they are. And that's the key to lasting success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share more so business owners can learn the power of needs-based selling. If you've got questions or have an experience with this technique and you'd like to share it, drop a comment below. Woo! Almost lost the cat. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. I'm Angie Dobransky. This is Dave the White Cat, and we're your partners for success. Until next time, remember, listen first, sell later, and I'll see you in the next video.